winter rolls around, pests need a warm place to hide, and your home could be the perfect vacation spot. Check out a few tips to help you get rid of pests this winter. 1. Seal cracks and gaps. Check for and seal cracks near doors, windows, and the foundation of your home. Install door sweeps and weather stripping to seal gaps. Repair damaged door or window screens and any holes on the roof. 2. Keep your home clean. Cleaning can help to remove potential attractants that can lure bugs into your home. Clean up any crumbs and spills and wipe down counters to remove sticky residues. Store your pantry items in sealed containers. Dusting and vacuuming can help to remove bugs and their eggs. 3. Get organized. Clutter can provide pests with hiding spots, so you'll want to keep things organized. Pick up your clothes and other items on the floor. Store your things in plastic bins with lids instead of cardboard boxes. 4. Minimize moisture. When pests enter homes, they often look for moisture, so it's important to keep things dry. Check for and repair leaking pipes and dripping faucets. Make sure your drains are working properly. In areas prone to dampness, consider using a dehumidifier or a fan. 5. Take care of your fireplace. Cleaning and inspecting your fireplace can help you catch any cracks pests could use to sneak inside. You'll also want to be careful bringing firewood into your home since spiders and other pests can hide on it. 6. Keep your outdoor space clean. If bugs are in your yard, they aren't far from your home. Remove yard debris to avoid attracting pests. Make sure your gutters are working correctly. Keep your shrubs and tree branches trimmed so they aren't touching the side of your house. 7. Spray bugs away. Overwintering pests, like stink bugs and box elder bugs, gather on homes before slipping inside. You can use a garden hose to dislodge the pests, discouraging them from returning to your house. 8. Use pest control products. Our plant-based yard bug spray and home bug spray kill pests on contact and provide residual repellency. Our roach killer gel bait allows cockroaches to eat the bait and return to the nest, ensuring other cockroaches are exposed to the bait. Insecticide dust, like our spider and insect dust, can also be applied to areas where pests have been seen, as well as in cracks and crevices for longer-lasting protection. For more helpful tips and pest information, be sure to follow us and visit our website at maggiesfarmproducts.com.